I am.
So okay. Let me cut you short there. Now you're going to go back to that because I believe that point really will levitate some personalities that are into getting skill and getting certificates. If they don't want to get killed. So now I saw kind of a program you did back at Federal University of Agriculture, Abeokuta, and you mentioned something that if you don't have a call, you'll be out of call. What is that in relationship to skill acquisition?
Now, it's very important to know that a lot of people feel because I'm passionate about these things, it means I'm called to it.
Okay.
And the truth of the matter is you need to understand that even in your call, you require certain innovation to be able to grow at it.
Okay.
You require certain skill that should make you better at it. The fact that you are very good at singing and people are applauding your